Hi everyone, today we're talking about 3 HR initiatives you should consider implementing in the second half of 2024. Let's go! Let's go. Number 1, implementing flexible working arrangements. Now, I know I'm not the first one suggesting this to you, and I know this has been discussed to death, but here's the thing. With the whole conversation of returning to the office being a huge part of the discourse these days, I feel like we should be talking more about flexible working arrangements. Because flexible working arrangements have been proven to increase employee productivity and reduce absenteeism. But more importantly, it gives your team a chance to establish their own work-life balance. And work-life balance is key here because there's no specific formula to having the perfect work-life balance. It is different for everyone. And having a flexible working arrangement allows your team members to find their own groove, find the system that works for them. So, in the second half, if you haven't already, consider implementing a flexible working schedule. Number 2, strengthening your rewards and recognition program. We all talk about the power of recognition and appreciating each other, but how much effort and time and money are we really putting into this? Because when practiced correctly, rewards and recognition programs increase employee engagement, boost morale, and enhance company loyalty. A rewards and recognition program, especially a point-based one, can bring an element of gamification to the workplace. And suddenly those everyday tasks and achievements are now part of something bigger and more fun. But if you're going to implement a rewards and recognition program, you need to commit to this. There's no doing this halfway. Employee recognition should be a part of your workflow. You need a recognition tool that is embedded into your main communication platforms such as Microsoft Teams and Outlook. And to help you do just that, I have a solution for you. In the second half, if you want to implement rewards and recognition, then you should give the best rewards and recognition platform in the Microsoft Teams ecosystem, Teamflect, a try. Teamflect is an all-in-one performance management and employee engagement platform with an incredibly strong rewards and recognitions module. Teamflect lets you create custom recognition badges with point values assigned to them, and then your employees can exchange their recognition points for rewards in a catalog that you can build instantly. You can create live recognition feeds, dynamic leaderboards, and so much more right inside Microsoft Teams and Outlook. And the best part is Teamflect is completely free with full functionality for up to 10 users. That means you can click the link in the description right now and try Teamflect for free with no time or feature limitations. Last but not least, number 3, workshops on responsible and ethical AI use. With the conversation around AI being the way it is right now and some organizations discussing AI employees, can we really afford not doing these? Because a workshop on AI delivered by an expert in their field doesn't just educate your employees on responsible and ethical AI use. It will also enhance the way they are interacting with AI tools. They will be using AI tools more effectively, enhancing decision-making and other processes. And these workshops will also eliminate some of the common misconceptions surrounding AI. We have a whole other video about mistakes organizations make with AI in the workplace that we probably might need to update soon, but you should visit that. We'll have the link in the description as well. But that about brings us to the end of this video. What did you think? What did I miss? Just let me know in the comments. Guys, we release helpful content like this one every single week. Subscribe so you don't miss any of them. And if you want to try Teamflect for free, you can always click the link in the description. Bye-bye.